Hi, I'm Zach from the Duct Pros. As the seasons begin to change, many homeowners start preparing their homes for the months ahead. But there's one important area that's easy to overlook: your dryer vent. After months of regular laundry, lint and debris can gradually build up inside the vent, restricting airflow and making your dryer work harder. That buildup can lead to longer drying times, wasted energy, and excess heat around your dryer. Our professional dryer vent cleaning service removes the hidden lint and debris, helping restore proper airflow and improve dryer performance. The result is faster drying, better efficiency, and a safer home for your family. At the Duct Pros, we help keep your home safer and your dryer running efficiently. Your trusted experts in fresh air.